Are you ready to create your own children's storybook by using Canva and ChatGPT? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create storybooks like this one right here. It's fun, it's easy, and completely free. The first thing we need is a short children's story. For that, we'll use the ChatGPT website Die Inside ChatGPT. Type something like, "Write me a short story for kids aged 3 to 6 that teaches them something useful." You can also add extra details to make it more unique, like add a tiger to the story or make it funny and exciting. ChatGPT will instantly create a fun little story that we can use for our book. If you want more stories, you can repeat this process and create as many as you like. Once you have a story you love, copy it and paste it into Google Docs so it's ready for the next step. Now let's head over to Canva. Open the Canva website and type Storybook in the search bar. You'll see many free templates you can use, but I recommend starting with the Create Blank option. This gives you a fresh page you can fully customize. First, set the background color of your storybook. Click on the design, then tap the color option, and pick a bright color that kids will enjoy. Next, we'll add a frame for our text and images. On the left side of your screen, click on Elements, scroll down, and open the Frames section. There are many frame styles to choose from, but I suggest using the blob frames because they give the pages a fun, playful look. Now go back to your Google Doc, copy the first sentence of your story, and paste it into your Canva page. Place it near the top, and style it with a font and color that feels lively and easy to read. You can type comic in the font search bar to find fonts that look friendly and fun. When the first page is ready, add a new page for each sentence or part of the story. Copy the next sentence from your document, paste it onto the second page, and continue until the entire story is laid out across multiple pages. Paste it onto the second page, and continue until the entire story is laid out across multiple pages. Try to use different frames and backgrounds for each page so the book stays interesting and dynamic. It's time to decorate. Still in the Elements section, search for graphics that match your story. For example, if your story has a tiger, type tiger in the search bar, tap on Graphics, and choose a sticker or illustration you like. Add at least one graphic per page, but don't overcrowd it. We want it to look playful but still easy to follow. After placing an element, you can adjust its transparency to around 20-60%, so it blends nicely and doesn't distract from the text. To make your storybook even more special, let's generate custom images with Canva's Magic Media app. On the left menu, open Apps, scroll until you find Magic Media, and click it. Describe the image you need, like a cute tiger sitting in a jungle, and make sure to select the playful style for a cartoon effect. Canva will create unique images that you can place inside your frames. If a page mentions a tiger and a tiny monkey, type something like a tiger and a little monkey playing together and wait for the result. Add the generated photo to the page, and repeat this for each part of the story. Once all pages have their text, graphics, and images, we'll add the final touch of page flipping effect. Click the Share button at the top right, then tap the three dots to see more options. Scroll down and select Simple Booklet Flip.Login with your Google account if asked. And Canva will create a digital book where you can flip the pages like a real storybook. You've now created a beautiful children's storybook with Canva and ChatGPT, complete with your own custom tiger adventure. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like, and let me know in the comments what kind of storybook you plan to create next. Thanks for watching.